This tote is going to my mom's coworker, and if you couldn't tell, it says no filter, just keeping it real. And honestly, I wish to be her when I grow up because she says it like it is, and my introverted self could never. I'm literally so shy. But anyway, we're using the Caesar HTV in white, and you always want to put the shiny side down. And also, don't forget to mirror your image. I use the regular iron-on setting when it comes to cutting it on the Cricut, and then I go ahead and weed it. This HTV literally weeds like butter. Although when it comes to weeding the whole piece, I always feel like I'm fighting with it, but I never have any issues. So this tote bag is gonna have one design on the front and one on the back. I started out with the just keeping it real part. I put a little padding inside of the bag, and then I went ahead and took out my lint roller. I always pre-press the bag to get out wrinkles and moisture, and this is the part that I'm always so nervous. I'm like, I need a ruler or something, but I've just been eyeballing it recently. Then I let it cool off and take off the carrier sheet. After that, I go ahead and press it again for about 5 seconds just to ensure that the design is really on the tote bag. Now time to flip it over and do the other side. Lint roller again and pre-pressing the bag. Now we're on to the no filter part. And you guys, I must have stared at this design for at least 10 minutes just to make sure that it was straight. And I really should have said this before, but I put the temperature to 305 for 12 seconds. Here was the moment of truth, but I'm glad to say it all worked out, and then I went ahead and pressed it again for 5 seconds, taking off the Teflon sheet, and here it is. Let me know what you think of it. And that got me thinking, are you an extrovert or an introvert? So comment down below. Okay, love you, bye.